Hey guys and gals, Troy here, and in this video I'm going to be doing a Cardly review, and I encourage you to watch this video through to the end because I think some people might be missing the significance of having your very own free digital business card through Cardly. I like to consider this a digital marketing relationship builder. So please be sure to watch this video through to the end. If it resonates with you, you get some value from it, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Now, I do this for a living. I work 100% remotely from home. And what I have learned over the years is that a lot of people need to stop half-tailing it. And I think you know what I mean by half-tailing it. Don't pick and choose when it comes to hitting your goals. Remember, these goals are yours, nobody else's. And what you want to do and what you need to do are not the same. Now, first things first, I don't care if you've got 2,000, 5,000, 7,000 followers on Facebook or any other social media site. Having your own free Cardly digital business card is 1,000 times better than trying to relate with people from them taking a look at your Facebook profile. I'm just being honest, and if you're one of those people that, when someone reaches out to you, you tell them, hey, go to my timeline, go to my profile, what I do is right there. Do you realize how disrespectful you're being to somebody that took the time to reach out to you? Basically you're being standoffish, and I think that's ridiculous if you are somebody that's trying to be successful online. So a couple of weeks ago, I had somebody that created their Cardly account, and I give them credit because they did contact me and they wanted my opinion on how their page looked, how their digital business card looked. So I took a look at it. And the very first thing that I noticed over here was that it said, for the name, it said Bob Bitcoin. Now, what kind of a signal are you sending people if they go to your Cardly? You're telling people you sell crypto opportunities and you want them to join you or at least take a look. What if they're not a fan of crypto? What if they have no interest whatsoever in crypto? You just crushed any possibility that they're going to want to connect with you. So how I have this set up is real simple. And everything that's on here is interchangeable according to what you decide you want to put on it. I've got my name. I'm letting people know, click start here video. I title myself as a business strategy consultant expert. So guess what? When people come down here and they click this start here video, I'm introducing myself. I'm building rapport. I'm getting that cold relationship to warm up. People do business with those they know, like, and trust. You've probably heard that even if you've only been in a home business for the last 30 days. And you're going to continue hearing that. So when they come down here, they click my start here video. And for those of you that are camera shy, you don't have to be in front of the video. You can use a screen recorder. But I'm introducing myself. I'm telling them a little bit about myself. I'm telling them that they could create their own free Cardly digital business card, right? Again, it's the perfect digital marketing relationship builder. I'm letting them know, hey, if you are looking for a way to make a few $100s per day online, be sure that you click on my instant cash system button right here. I've got a save and earn opportunity that they can join for free. I have USA free leads in here, a system. I'm showing people how to make money with a school community. If you don't know what school is, SKOOL, It's like having a Facebook group, only 1,000 times better on steroids. Um, if people want to connect with me on social media, now remember, I said these buttons are interchangeable. Look at this. You can add multiple links on one button. So they can connect with me on my YouTube channel. They can connect with me on Facebook. They can connect with me on Instagram. They can connect with me on my blog through Medium. And you have the ability to do that. And then once they go through these buttons, if they have questions, they can hit me up again, social media. They could send me an email, or they can call or text me. And the other thing that's really cool is this. You also have the ability to create what's known as a Cardly V card. Now, what's the significance of this? Let's say you are, hanging out in a sports bar. You're out to dinner. You're at a business event. Whatever the case may be, right? If you strike up a conversation, and it's going really well, that person may turn around and say, hey, I'd like to continue this conversation another time. You sound like a really great person to know. And they pull out a business card from 1991. Now, I'm not knocking that, but you graciously accept their business card, and then you turn around and you say to them, hey, by the way, do you have your cell phone on you? Everyone and their mother probably would say yes. They pull out their cell phone, and then you share with them your Cardly V card, and you say, okay, do me a favor, come down here and scan this code. In 2 seconds, they scan the code. Guess what? They have all of your Cardly information now collected on their phone. What does that do for you? Number one, it makes you stand out as a serious professional, and subconsciously they're probably saying, hey, I would love to be able to get that. That is the perfect way to build a relationship. So again, if you want to create your very own free Cardly digital business card, go to my YouTube channel. From my YouTube channel, click the link for Cardly. It might say cardly.me. Create your free account. If you have any questions whatsoever, you have my contact information. And if you got some value from this, subscribe to my channel, drop a comment. If you have questions, hit that like button. Thanks so much for watching. Once again, I'm Troy. Take care.